Hello ladies and gentlemen. In this video I want to show you how to design a room itself using tools in Online Kitchen Designer. So if you have a look on the menu on the left hand side and you click on the top icon, home, so you can go and basically see this menu. So if you click on the room, you can see some sub-menus here. So can be room size, decors, walls and columns, doors and windows, utilities and lightings. To change a room size, so you need simply to go to the room size and specify a new size. Let's say this will be 4.5. The height will be 3 meters, and let's say the depth will be 3 meters. So what we can do with this room, if you'll go back, so you can see you got walls and columns, you got some components you can add to the room. So bulkheads, if you drag and drop bulkhead and after you click on a bulkhead, you can see you got ability to change the size of the bulkhead. So you may have one bulkhead, you may have another one. You can move this bulkhead basically, and you can put that around the room. So you will drag and drop bulkhead, and after you will tell it sits off one wall or another wall on such a distance. Okay, so basically this bulkhead can be sitting here, so 2.7, and that will be sitting in the middle of the room. So now you can see this is really rare, but using these bulkheads we can create ceiling recess, and basically in this ceiling recess we can do the fancy let's change the size first. I will show you what I mean. Okay, this will be a ceiling recess, as some of buildings got on a kitchen. So basically we can use these bulkheads to create a nice and fancy ceiling. Okay, so some of the tools you got here, this is a corner, so this corner can be as well sized, and if you can see, so we can create a nice corner here. As well, we got a wall, we can create a new wall, or we can go and extend this wall on a, let's say we can put a bigger value. Depth, let's say, can be 4 meters. It's too much, can be not bigger than the room. So basically we'll split the room on 2 rooms. To delete each component it's actually really easy, so you need to select component, press delete button. Okay, and so let's do a bit of the real room. So we'll put 5 meters by 5 meters. So this is a room, okay, or probably we'll do with 7 meters. So a lot of houses, they've got let's say a couple of new walls here. One for the fridge recess. If you, let's say, select, we can position exactly this wall as we need, so that will be sitting to 1205.7 meters. This wall can have a different widths as well. So, and basically we can adjust the depth of this wall. So the depth of the wall can be, let's say, 700. Yeah, so now it's more or less a wall which will suit our needs to design a kitchen. So this will be sitting 1.2 meters, and this wall can be 700 mil. Okay, we can do 150 wide, or you can use any value. Okay, and when you select this wall and you put in a position, so you can change this value, this will be 1.2 meters from here. So in this room we can put a bulkhead, and let's say this bulkhead, let's do depths at the same depths of our nib walls, so it looks like basically good place to start designing our kitchen. Let's say on the opposite corner we can use this corner, and this corner, let's say, can be 1200s by 1200s. So basically you can design any straight shape of the room to make it looks more beautiful. You got in our library doors and windows. I do recommend to use this sliding doors. Have a look, you got the scenery spinning behind the window, so this will give us attraction for the project. So basically we can set up this window, we will have ability to change a bit, so to change the size. Okay, so we can put one window, two windows, three windows as we like, or as our project will have. So we got as well windows, various type of windows. Okay, but common Aussie places, they've got, let's say, designed like couple of windows on a corner. You don't need to be scared when your window will jump somewhere, so it's not bad, it's okay. So when you got these highlighting in red, it means that you've got intersection with another or with a different object. Okay, so we just let you know with the highlighting in red that you're touching or intersecting with another object. So this is a pretty simple, pretty common rule. So we can put some let's say doors, so, and we can click on a door and we can change position, that can be sitting 100 middle of the wall. Okay, so basically this is the mains you need to know about designing of the room. There is a couple of features we can use in utilities. This is in a special configuration, so if you need, you can put your wall plugs, wall sockets and switches. So basically this will give to the project more reality. So, and if let's say you design a new place, you can use these components to specify where basically the power points or switches should be. We can create a part of the library with a plumbing. We can create different features. So basically it can be done on the customer demand. About the room, I think that's it. Enjoy using online kitchen designer and have a good day.